Greener World Technologies has successfully introduced Frigitek to the U.S. refrigeration market. A Frigitek controller dramatically reduces the energy necessary to run the evaporator fan motors found in most commercial refrigeration units. The concept is simple. For example, every walk-in has at least one evaporator coil that will also consist of multiple fans and fan motors. These motors run at high speed, consuming electricity 24 hours a day, but they don't need to. With a Frigitek controller, the fan motors will only run at high speed when the system compressor is operating, which for most units is about 40% of the time. This means that for the other 60% of the time, the fan motor RPM can be lowered dramatically while still providing the necessary airflow in the box. The result? Significant savings. Frigitek works in conjunction with the new 2-speed EC motors that are far more efficient than the shaded pole motors currently found in most walk-ins. Here's a demo unit that will clearly show the effectiveness of Frigitek. To the right is a fan being driven by a standard shaded pole motor. It's consuming about 149 watts. On the left is a new 2-speed EC motor. It is consuming about half the energy, or about 76 watts. Now we will simulate the compressor off cycle. The Frigitek controller will slow the EC fan motor to 600 RPM and is now only consuming about 5 watts of electricity. That's right, 5 watts, when before it was consuming close to 150 watts 24/7. When you do the math, this amounts to about an 80% reduction in power usage. And along with this comes a significant reduction in heat created in the box. The standard shaded pole motor will generate about 390,000 BTUs of heat per month. The 2-speed EC motor with the Frigitek controller will generate less than 80,000 BTUs per month. Now, with less heat being released in the unit, compressor runtime will be reduced, again saving energy. Watch how this works. At a price of 15 cents per kilowatt hour, it will cost $655 to operate an evaporator coil with 3 conventional fan motors each year. By installing EC motors, the cost to operate the fans is lowered to $283, a 56% reduction in costs. However, by installing a Frigitek EC controller, the cost to operate the fan motors is reduced to $98 per year, an 84.9% reduction. There is no other single product on the market that can produce this kind of combined savings in a commercial refrigerator. These figures are derived from the Savings Analysis Program designed by Energy Control Equipment. This copyrighted program has been approved by numerous power utilities and rebate granting agencies such as KEMA. Frigitek, a simple, proven technology that is already saving customers thousands of dollars nationwide while dramatically lowering the corresponding CO2 production. Frigitek, a common sense solution.